What in the world? No ball grab here, baby. It's so weird. Straight to the big guy. Hello? Hello? Just me and the Braille ghost here for another exciting episode of You Make It, We Skate It! Alright guys, so we got in the mail this strange, looked like it may have been packaged by a zombie horde. Is there like extra echo in here now that I'm the only person? Is it the worst echo? Leave it in the comments below if it's the worst echo you've ever seen and you hate when I say leave it in the comments below. Oh wait, we didn't start the video correctly. Sorry. I'm so sorry. My name's Aaron Cairo. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. And today, we're gonna open a box and skate this board inside! I have no idea what's in here, but we're gonna find out. You think I can open it with this? Because I'm really not gonna walk back and find something else. Oh, and by the way, 6 feet away, bro. 6 feet. Thanks. I'm not joking. It's not a joke, guys. Stay safe, stay inside. I'm just here today in my garage. Okay, that kind of worked. Hopefully it's not fragile. French for fragile. Ah! This would be easier if I didn't have a broken finger. Like the WWF of skateboard videos. What? Ah! Ow. It's like a burrito blanket box? I can see the comments now. 30 minutes in, he opens the box. Probably should have just got a razor blade. Or the drill. That was the thing we always used to use, is the drill. That's not a knife. This is a knife. All right, mate. I feel like giving me a knife is probably not a good idea. What in the world? Okay, I think it's literally 3 You Make It, We Skate It's in 1. Oh, I know what this is. Jeremy Vest. Thank you very much for building all of this. I think for this video, we should pick one of these. Should we just show it, just to show people? So this is like one of those things that you like roll your back on, and we're gonna see the skateboard truck holes. So that's gonna be wicked. I can't wait to see Mowgli fall on that. Just kidding, because I'm all alone. I could be all alone for a while. What have we become? Oh no. I'm gonna try and see the one that I think I can do the most tricks on today. Wait, what is this part? What is this though?
Is it like a drum pad or something?
And then this, I believe, this is like a polycarbonate see-through bulletproof glass. So this is how we clean up here at the Braille house. There you go. Somebody will pick it up someday. Man, whoever made this board did an epic job. The tail's just slightly wider than the nose, so it's sort of fishboard style. Got this epic sticker on there. Man, trucks? Oh, I wish we had the Hydro Dip trucks. Ah, we don't have any trucks and wheels. Look at this thing. All right, guys, I'm super excited to skate this. Stay till the end to see the hardest trick that you think I can do on this. And in this video, I'm gonna choose one of the comments and I'm gonna give away a skateboard. So this goes on the top or the bottom? A little wang dango like so?
Yeah, I like how you can see through.
Yeah, I like it too. I'm only gonna do 2 bolts if that's okay with you guys. Leave it in the comments below. You never know what'll happen. The structural integrity will break. If the board breaks and it's because of the 2 bolts, look, okay, I'm sorry, I'm not a scientist. I kinda like making the videos all alone. Just me, nobody to compete with. We should have put this on the bottom, I just realized, so we can grip it.
Oh, you actually want to grip it?
Well, I did, and then you said it like that, and now you're making me second guess my whole life. Okay, pretty wicked though. Okay, in closer inspection, I've discovered something. Look at this. which we definitely should have taken off before we added the trucks. Walmart board all over again. But dude, look at how good that looks. Even better. No mall grab here, baby. Does that look, that looks like really epic though. Dude, now that is amazing. So much different. It was like a filmy, chocolatey substance before. Now that I see it like this, I'm like, man, we should have got really nice trucks and wheels, not ones that were like burnt to a frying crisp. You can perfectly see everything. It is clear. This is more clear than the glass board. World's first invisible skateboard. I want to put my face in there, you know that thing that like, but you know, COVID-19. Hold on. Braille disinfectant. I don't really trust that at all. Dude, I just ruined the whole board. Now I'll never get those streaks out. Hope everybody's staying safe, staying home. It smells just like straight bleach. I feel like this is really not a good idea. Okay. This didn't even work. We're a skateboarding channel. We're here to skateboard. I'm scared, Daniel. That's why.
Oh no.
That's why I'm scared. Oh boy. It's been a while since I've been on something really, really weird. All right, this video is dedicated to my homeboy, Lance. We're gonna drop in on everything smallest. This one first. And by drop in, I mean roll in. I think I just ingested bleach. Like how overly dramatic can you make it? Now this one. Oh wow, we're really, oh wow. Wow, this is actually really scary. It's so weird. Very bungee, elasticy. I don't even know what you want to call it. And there's no nose or tail to boot. I do speak Canadian. That was an ollie. Did you see it? Of all those times you need your stunt doubles, this is one of them. Okay, I'm gonna try and do every trick that I know how to do, which is only about 3 or 4, so don't worry, it won't take long. We're gonna do a shove it. First try! Leave it in the comments below if I did that first try. All right, I'm just gonna tell the people the battery literally died. I just landed a pop shove it, the battery died. So if I'm way more sweaty than I was 5 seconds ago, it's because I skated in between battery charges. Okay, so where do we leave off? A shove it. I'm just gonna rebait this. I feel like I got the shove it pretty good. 360 shove it though. It's kind of scary because the board is invisible. Boy, you wanted something. First try! But it wasn't first try. Kickflip? I think that's possible.
Yeah. You also got to drop in on everything.
No.
Just flat out.
Like how fast I said that. I do not have to drop in on everything. Imagine just straight to the top of the wall, right? I do got to land a kickflip though. It's so much easier when other people are here because they're like, you can't kickflip, you can't do it, let's go and right through it. It felt like nothing happened. It did flip though, right? It did. And on that, I retire. Should we do some drops? All right, smallest to largest. That might be the last drop we do. To that one, maybe? Get this basketball out the way. Swish. In a line. Oh! That was dumb. Are your ears ringing? Mine are really bad, right? This one? Wow. Leave it in the comments below if the videos are so much better without the stunt doubles. Back 180. Burial flip maybe? Ooh, tray flip, that would be beast. For some reason, I'm really scared to land primo. Like, I actually think it'll cut me, even though knowing full well it's not gonna cut me. Think that's possible? If we had some actual real skateboarders here, they would do it. Right here, first try, tray flip. I actually kind of kicked that hard. Even if I land it like that, I'm fully taking it. After my battle scar from back there when I threw it on the ground, I'm like, don't like it when it lands upside down. I know what I need to do. I need to sort of bounce it. Use the force, Luke. Literally no one on the earth can tray flip it. You know, if everybody else is here, they just do it first try. Maybe it's easier standing still? Nope. Drop in, I guess.
Mini ramp?
Ball grab. Mini ramp? No, what are you, crazy? Straight to the big guy. It's like Vietnam flashbacks. You know what I mean? So wait, at least I have the hard rhino to hold on to.
Dude, watch the one behind it.
Oh yeah, barbed wire on both sides. Oh dude, I swear, I really still have something on that glass board. Oh yeah, I think I can do it. Doug, do you want me to try? Aaron. No, I got it. Oh, body rock! I feel the need to land the tray flip, but I literally don't know if I can physically do it. And then he does it perfect, he doesn't land. Can we count that as a land? Nobody can tell.
The tray flip is tradition.
It is.
I don't know.
Daniel's calling rebate.
Yeah.
I'm saying nobody can tell because the board is completely clear that both of my toes touched. Could you tell?
I mean,
in the comments below. Cannot be done. I'm just gonna focus it. We'll call the video good. Ow. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to skateboard. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. We got everything you need. It's the most fun you'll ever have, ever.